Welcome to the WebLedger office. Out of the hundreds of communication platforms available, it turns out WhatsApp is the most used for all our clients. So we at WebLedger have taken this initiative to integrate the business workflow with WhatsApp, especially for you. Let's get right into it. After you log in and scroll down, there's a WhatsApp toggle tab. Click on it, and this is the screen that pops up in front of you. You can create your own template to share to all your clients. Click on the plus icon. You can enter your template name here. It can be a marketing message, for example. You can group it under the groups available, and you can select the template type. Default language available option is English. You have a category change option here. If you choose true, the Meta will automatically figure out if your template belongs to utility or marketing. There's a header option where you get to select what type of header do you require. Let us move ahead with text. Drop down the text that you want to display in your message. Enter the body of the text and mention the footer. There are certain options available here if you want to add it. If you click on add phone number, add URL, you will be able to add these into the template that will be shared with your clients. The template is now submitted for approval. In this window that you can see here, you can check for your approval or rejected requests. In case your template is rejected, you will be able to hover over the rejected word, find out what was the error. For example, in this case, it shows invalid format. If your template is approved, hover over the template name, click on it, and this will showcase the template designed by you. There's also a campaigns tab. So when you run a marketing campaign, this helps you analyze all the results out of it. For example, we run a marketing campaign under the name Client Campaign 148. How many people were the recipients? How many were it sent to? What was the delivered number? How many people have seen it? And if at all the status was failed, you can check it here. If you toggle on the Action I button and click it, you will be able to export this as a report and run your analysis on it. In the template section itself, you have numerous filters available. So you can filter it based on the groups, based on the categories, based on the templates. If they are approved, if they are pending, rejected or deleted. For example, if I want to look at all the approved templates, and you can also ensure that the selection size is more than 10, maybe 25 per page or 100 per page, as in what you like.
So how do you share the message with all your clients on WhatsApp? Select all the clients based on whatever filter you like. For example, we want to share a reminder for GSTR1. So I will filter my clients for the service that I provide, apply the filter, select all the clients, bulk actions, send a WhatsApp message, select my template and the language. Here is a preview for the message that will be shared with everybody. Select the variable. I want the variable to be the client name and send template. That's all about it.
This is how you can manage all your interactions with the client and ensure that you build a healthy relationship with them. Thank you for connecting at the WebLedger office.